So how do you get one of these HMOs? I hear you ask. Loads of people spend far too much time worrying about it. So just first, number one rule is where will it work? So find out where would people want to rent in shared space. And once you've found that out and discovered those areas, you then go, right, let's find properties that work. So can you get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people living together in a nice comfortable area, in a nice comfortable space to create great cash flow for you and a happy tenants as well? That's the second thing. The third thing is then do the numbers stack. Do you get the return on investment that you want? I can show you how to do that. Just come and join me on one of our free programs or one of our paid courses. It's your choice. Educate, educate, educate. This knowledge up here is what's going to get you the best results. The next point is then work out how is the layout going to work. How many people can you fit in, and is there enough space for them to live together in a kitchen and shared area? Now there are some rules, so do check out the local council's rules for the shared living space. It's called an HMO, House of Multiple Occupancy. Google the council and it'll tell you how and where and the space that you can do this in. Just be legal, be compliant, that's essential. So once you've now found an area, you know that the tenants will want to live there, you've done the numbers that you know you're going to get the return, you're going to be compliant with the council, then you just got to decide, are you going to manage it yourself or are you going to give it to a managing agent? And you just got to do the numbers. Will it give you the return? And you've got to decide, do you want to rent it out to one family or do you want to let it out to multi-families, individuals, to create higher cash flow? I know which one I'd want. So what's an HMO? Well, an HMO is a house of multiple occupancy, and I'm in one right now. Now, just I'm going to give you an example. So we're in a building with 2 flats. Now, each flat has 3 bedrooms and 2 reception rooms. You've got a choice. Do you rent it out to a single family, or do you rent it out room by room to get higher rent roll? Now, you might be watching this going, oh yeah, just cramming them in to make a load of money. No, I tell you what, this stuff actually provides a great service and a product for people. There's a demand for it. When I was in my early 20s, I wanted to live with people because it's sociable. I just didn't want to live in a slum. So imagine it. You provide a great quality product and service, you provide a great aftercare, and people that are willing to pay and live together in communities. We're human beings, we like sociable living. So smash and get rid of that mindset, that blocker to saying, why would people not want this? People want this if you do it right. So imagine you've got 3 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms, and now you can turn 1 reception room into the 4th bedroom like we've done here. So we've now effectively got 8 bedrooms in this property. And this is going to bring over £3,000 income every single month. Now, how many of them would you need in order to change your life? So this is just one of the ones we've been using, and the value goes up because it's worth more. Now it's a win-win, isn't it? The tenants are happy, you're happy, your bank balance is happy, and it means you have more choice to do with what you want in your time. So let's have a look. Would you want to live here? I just ask myself that every single time. Great cash flow, it's a great investment, and the best thing is, if you know how, you can actually do this with hardly any cash. Now I made over £100,000 from just doing this, using other people's property. Yeah, that's right, other people's property. This can generate thousands of pounds for you every single month if you do it right. Is people have about owning HMOs is, what if I can't find tenants, Tom? Now, I know some people who do not find tenants. Why? Because they buy in the wrong area. They don't get the right knowledge of how and where to do this stuff. But let's assume you know where to buy in the right area, you just need to know how to fill them. So this is an 8-bed unit. So we've got a building with 8 rooms to let. So we've got a challenge, haven't we? 8 people. And guess what? We've already filled 3. So we've got 5 more to go. And I know in the next 4 weeks they're going to be filled because we have the right marketing. So you can either pay for somebody to fill them for you or you can do it yourself. Now a quick and easy way to do it is maybe advertise on Gumtree or Spare Room, your great product and service. And ultimately, the more you can provide a great quality product and service, the more you're going to fill it. So that's how we fill them. We advertise on multiple channels and we provide great quality product and service. And ultimately, we've always got demand for our rooms because why wouldn't you want to live somewhere like this? So what are the costs of running an HMO, House of Multiple Occupancy, I hear you ask, because ultimately that's going to really eat into your profit. So number 1, typically in HMO you pay the bills. However, if you're the student market, they normally pay their bills. So you just decide, do you want to do professionals or you want to do students? And normally in the professional market you pay the bills, students you don't. Next thing, there's going to be wear and tear, because if you think about it, when you have one family living in your house, by the way, they can trash the house just as much, but if you've got 4, 5 or 6 people in, there's more wear and tear. Not that much more, but there is. You just got to be mindful of it. So there's a little bit of extra maintenance to do on a yearly basis. So you just put some money aside. So you pay the bills, you do some repairs. Sometimes you might have one empty room, but I tell you what, I prefer to have one empty room and 4 people paying the mortgage and the bills and then giving some profit than one tenant who then leaves and you're then lumbered with the mortgage and council tax and all the other bills associated with it. So I like that model. Then you've got some management fees if you're not going to do it yourself. So you might be paying 10, 12%. But once again, that's going to give you near passive income. That's what we'd love to do, because at the minute you might be in a job, so you're exchanging your time for money. This model creates you income every single month while you sleep, because the tenants pay the bills, the tenants pay the mortgage, and you get some profit which comes in every single month. Now we make anything from £750 to £1,500 per calendar month per property. How many of them would you need? It's life-changing. You just need to know how. So get some more education. That's the best thing is to do, is get educated, get some action and get momentum, and just get out your own way to get the best results. I can help you, I know I can. So come and join me, and I'll see you on one of our programs. There you go, thanks for watching. If you like this stuff and you want to see more, there's more videos just right there. And every single week I post brand new content for you about how to become a property investor or developer. All I ask is subscribe so you can see this every week, and like and comment. But if you also want to see me on other channels, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn is right below, so click on there too. Look forward to seeing you real soon face to face. Take care.